Good day, guys. In today's tutorial, we'll be looking at how we'll be able to download image without background. How you can download image with art background. Now let's turn on our data. Now you can use any of the browser, maybe Chrome or Pramini, any of the browser, but I'll go with Chrome. You can use Google as well. So now just come here, enter your search space, search for PNG wing. Now PNG simply means transparent background. Just tap for PNG wing, then you tap on the first link that you're seeing. This first link, that's first this in website here. Just tap on it. So this is Trendy channel. So this is your first time of coming to Trendy channel. Please kindly subscribe, share this video with your friends. In this channel we make videos on how to grow as a graphic designer, mostly with Pixellab, everything that has to do with Pixellab. So just stay tuned to the end. I believe you will earn a lot from this video. Now for those of us that normally church flyer, let me always start, or this channel talks more about church flyer. Okay, let's just watch this ad. Let's just be patient to watch the ad. This channel talks about church flyer a lot. So now let me say, for example, there are some fire. Now you can as well download from Pinterest, but there are some fire you want to download, maybe fire flame and the rest. But if you download it, they normally comes with background, and when you erase the background, there's always white particles around the edges. So now, for instance, you want to download fire flame, just come here and search fire flame. Now let's just allow it, just give it time. Now are you seeing? Now different fire flame will come out automatically. Now for example, let me say I want to download this one, for example, that fire flame, and I'll just stay tuned to the end. Also I'll also import whatever thing we download here will be imported to Pixellab to show the transparency, to show that indeed nothing really came with the background, everything came on their own. So just allow it to open. I think this is network. I think it's network that's causing the delay. But let's just allow it to open. Okay, so now this is the fire. So if we want to download this now, if you check now, they are suggesting tag for you. You'll see texture, orange, computer wallpaper, sunlight, desktop wallpaper, suggesting things that you can download. But since our aim is to download fire flame, now let's go to down. Then you see where you see download PNG. Just tap on download PNG. This is ad. Just cancel the ad. Then download PNG. It will start. It is loading. Allow it to load. When it's done loading, it will start downloading. Okay, then download again. File downloaded. Now we've downloaded that aspect. Now let's go back again. There's also one of the flame I saw which I love, and I will also download it for the sake of my next tutorial and also for the sake of my next design. That's this flame. So let me just download it. I've shown you guys the procedure. Let me just quickly tap on download just to download it. Secondly, we'll be talking about stock image. Like image has to do with adverts, celebrities, and the rest. Most of them normally comes with background, which affects us a lot. So this is now when it comes to downloading without background, you come to this app of this website to download without background. It will be sharp and it will be more presentable. Are you getting me? That's PNG wing to be sharp and presentable. So let's just allow this one to download. Also, when it comes to cloud, whatever thing you download from here, they are totally free. They are totally free. When I mean free, what I meant is without background. Are you getting me? So now, social media icon. You know, social media icon. There are some you download and normally comes with background and the rest. All those on Facebook logo and the rest. Now, if you come here and just type social media icon, just highlight. Now, are you seeing different social media icon? Now, let's say for instance, now we have to download this. We have to use this. Now you come here, also tap on your download. All the things, whatever thing you download here, they are all free. Anything you download on this website are totally free. None of them requires payments. No one requires payment. They are all free. All you need to do is to just come here and just download. Now you can also search according to what you want. Let me move over to Pixellab and also show you the evidence of what we've downloaded so far. That everything we downloaded, they are all without background. Now for instance, let me bring this in. Are you seeing? Now you be the one now to decide where you want to drop it. Are you seeing? Now let me also quickly bring the social media icon in. Are you seeing? That's with that background. So guys, please kindly subscribe, share this video with your friend. See you guys in my next tutorial.